Esteemed viewers, greetings. I am deeply honored to welcome everyone back to my creative channel. In this episode, I will undertake the fabrication of an exceptionally practical thermal sealing machine, Heat Sealer. I invite you to observe the entire execution process. First, I cut a small piece of wood and sanded it smooth to create the handle for the welding machine. Next, I take a short piece of copper wire to serve as the high-voltage conductor that delivers power from the source to the welding machine. Next, I use the spark plug as the ignition component to generate direct heat. At this stage, we will proceed to secure the alligator clip to the unit's electrical wiring system. Given that the spark plug tip was insufficiently sized for effective heat transfer, we opted to repurpose a graphite rod from a dry cell battery to fabricate an extended heat conduction element. Then, I used a small connector to link the lead rod to the tip of the spark plug. Finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.